International Kuyo from grade 3 Timothy, and I will tell you a short story. The characters are Katie, Bonnie, Fairy, and a strange-looking man. The title of the story is Selflessness as a Reward. Let's start! Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Katie. He was very kind and gentle. Once, he saved a rabbit from a trap, risking his life. "There you go, poor rabbit. You are free now," he said. The next day, Katie went to an old junk shop to sell old things. The owner of the shop was a strange-looking man. He said, "Hey boy, do you want this ring?" Katie saw the ring and bought it for his mother. "This will be a perfect gift for my mother," he thought. Katie took the ring home and was about to put on his finger. Just then, he heard a whooshing sound, and there stood him before is a pretty fairy. The fairy said, "No, Katie, don't wear that." Katie was scared and he asked, "Why not? Who are you?" "I'm a fairy. I was playing in the disguise of a rabbit. Then a hunter trapped me. You saved my life, so I came to save yours. That ring is poison. It will kill you as you wear it." "Thank you, fairy," Katie said. To this the fairy said, "Katie, your selflessness act saved you." The moral lesson of the story is a selfless and compassionate act has its own reward. Learn to be helpful and unselfish to others. Who knows, one day it may come back to you. #good karma. Bye! Thank you for watching.